This is Nick from Syntech, and welcome to our Memory Configurator tutorial video. So this Memory Configurator on our website, you can see the tab there. This Memory Configurator can help you find your ideal memory or SSD cards that will be perfect for your system. So it just makes things really simple to choosing what memory you need for your computer system. So you can see we're on the front page here. We're going to click on the Memory Configurator. This will open up the Crucial Memory Configurator page. And from there you can see Memory and Storage Selector on the left. That's what we're going to click. And this will bring you a drop down of all your computer brands. So this is where we're going to choose. Just for example, we're going to go with Lenovo. And there it is, clicking there. And that's going to open this, and just for an example, choose any model that you like. There's the models. And let's just choose that for example. Once you've chosen your brand and your model, it'll bring up your memory and your SSD cards that are compatible with the system. So it makes it really simple. From there you'll be able to go to product details, or you can simply add to your cart. So there you can see some crucial memory, and here's some SSDs that will be compatible for this exact model. So really just making it simple for you to be able to buy the right memory that's compatible with your system. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.